Ito po ang ating mga product in focus for tonight. Panoorin po natin itong video.
One of nature's special offerings is the chlorophyll, those green pigments in plants which are responsible for the vital photosynthesis process. The main source of chlorophyll is alfalfa, which means father of all food in Arabic, and thus can absorb more nutrients and minerals. Alfalfa's root can penetrate 130 feet deep into the ground and thus can absorb more nutrients and minerals. Let us look at some traditional usages of alfalfa. In India, it is known for its ability to treat ulcer, arthritis, jaundice, whereas in China, it is known for its effectiveness to stimulate appetite, digestive problem, etc. Similarly, it is well known in other countries like Britain and Japan for various reasons. Considering the value chlorophyll renders to plants, here are a few important benefits. Detoxification. Chlorophyll has the ability to increase the intake of oxygen, which can detoxify toxins in our body. Improves the healthiness of mouth. Chlorophyll can neutralize acidic content in the mouth, thus preventing problems like formation of plaque and rotten teeth. Enhances immunity and slows aging. Chlorophyll is rich in antioxidant nutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium and zinc, and thus can combat free radicals, which apparently slows down aging process, generates body energy and activates cell reproduction. Body needs all of the nutrients to generate energy, and chlorophyll is rich with amino acids, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and plants enzymes. Guarana. Guarana is extracted from the guarana fruit. These fruits turn into amber red when ripened and has seeds with eyeball shape. Guarana are known as king of long life, for they help prevent diseases and are incredibly good for the health. Guarana prevents artery blockage, activates brain cells, refreshes brain and improves digestive system. A combination of chlorophyll and guarana liquid. Some of its important benefits are: improves the digestive system, increases oxygen supply, eliminates body waste, reduces excess cholesterol and fatty acids, stimulates heartbeat, stimulates metabolism, activates liver cells. Extracted from the lap of nature, this natural, wonderful phenomenon has been very intelligently used by man for health purposes and, of course, to lead a healthy lifestyle.
Wow! Sobrang napakaganda nitong chlorophyll, partner. And mga ka-Dyna Farm, ang good news, partner, magkakaroon tayo ng one-day promo for chlorophyll. Bukas po kayo pwedeng mag-purchase sa mga branches and centers. Kailangan makapag-attend kayo tonight either sa Zoom or FB Live. And screenshot nyo ang inyong attendance para sa ating mga Dear Centers. To avail itong one-day promos, meron po kayong from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. bukas, November 13, 2024, to submit your report with payments sa aming mga area coordinators kay Miss LB or kay Miss Precious.
Correct. Ito po yung mga promos natin sa Chlorophyll 500 ml. Mag-purchase lang po kayo ng worth 2,000 pesos sa cleansing and detox products and free na po ang inyong isang Chlorophyll 500 ml. No BB po yung ating free na chlorophyll. Kung gusto naman nila sa ibang product categories, partner, pwede din pong paabutin nila ng mga 2,500 pesos worth ang bibili nyo para may free na din kayong isang chlorophyll 500 ml.
Tama. And dahil hindi lang tayo nakafocus tonight sa ating mga cleansing and detox products, kundi kasama din ang ating mga nutritional products. When you buy 2,500 pesos worth of nutritional product at 10% off na, regular BB, may libre pa kayong 1 chlorophyll 500 ml. Yung mga bibilin po ninyong products with regular BB po yun. Yung free na chlorophyll 500 ml lang po ang walang BB. By the way, partner, ang teams na may complete attendance tonight ay makakatanggap din ng 1 free chlorophyll 500 ml. Ito pa, mga Kadayna Farm, ang good news. Para matikman ninyo at maramdaman ang super benefits ng chlorophyll, marami po ang mananalo tonight ng tig-iisang chlorophyll 500 ml sa ating pa-raffle. Wow na wow talaga yan, partner!
Yes, partner. At dahil nga nabanggit mo ngayon ang pa-raffle, yes, mga Kadayna Farm, it's raffle time! Una sa 3 po munang i-raffle po natin. Pipili po tayo ng 3 winners from Zoom and FB Live sa ating pa-raffle draws. Kapag tinawag ko po ang pangalan nyo, mag-unmute po kayo at sumigaw ng long live. So, okay, simulan na po natin. Sir Bong, handa na po ba ang ating roleta? Kung handa na po, Sir Bong, spin the wheel. Ang partner, ayan. Ayan, congratulations to Mr. Renz Ivan Cariaga. Nandiyan po ba kayo, sir? Sir, kung nandiyan po kayo, pa-unmute po. Okay, okay sir, wala si... Hello, sir? Nandiyan po ba sila, sir? Okay, sir, Renz Cariaga, nanalo po kayo, no, ng isang chlorophyll 500 ml. Ayan. Siguro may problema po ang internet connection ni Sir Renz Cariaga. But anyway, congratulations po Sir Renz Cariaga. Okay, Sir Bong, let's proceed to our second raffle draw. Winner. Congratulations kay Ma'am Priscilla Jocaresa. Nanalo po kayo ng isang chlorophyll 500 ml. Okay, i-chat o i-text nyo po ang ating mga area sales coordinator na sina Partner Precious and Miss LB. Okay, Sir Bong, let's proceed to our third raffle draw winner. Let's spin the wheel, Sir Bong. Okay, congratulations, Miss Mudsna Aradais. Yan, nanalo po kayo ng isang chlorophyll 500 ml. Nandiyan po ba si Ma'am Mudsna? Namang partner, nagkakaroon sila siguro ng internet problem. But anyway, nanalo po kayo, Ma'am Mudsna, no? I-text nyo lang po ulit ating mga sales area coordinator na sila Miss Precious and Miss LB. Back to you, Partner Kim.
Thank you, Partner Leo, and congratulations sa ating first 3 lucky winners ng chlorophyll 500 ml. Partner, magpa-shoutout muna tayo. Mukhang madami-dami na tayong mga greetings and messages dito sa ating FB Live. Yan, sabi ni Sir Edsel, good morning mga ka-Dyna Farm. Long live Dyna Farm. Ayan, sabi din po dito ni Ma'am Mercy De Vera, long live Dyna Farm. And dito rin po kay Ma'am LB. Yan. Long live Dynafarm. Yan, dyan naman sa ating Zoom chat box.
Yes, partner. Dito sa ating Zoom chat box, sabi ni Ma'am Gemma de la Serna Gramling, long live Dynafarm CDO. Si Ma'am Maymay Alawi, long live Dynafarm. And then si Ma'am Mudzna, long live Dynafarm, power. And then si Sir Dante Bumutad, yan, long live Dynafarm. And last si Victoria, sabi niya gano'n, hello, watching from Bahrain. Ayan, shout to all and most especially to my ate Lorna Alcacid at Kuya Carlos Alcacid. Ayan, muna partners. And balikan natin ang mga messages mamaya. Okay, syempre partner, no? Health Forum. Alam natin, ito yung ating inaabangan, partner. Okay, mga ka-Dynafarm, ito na ang mga inaabangan natin, ang ating Health Forum. Our speaker tonight is a scholar at Manila Science High School, Dean Listers in Pre-Med UST Med Technology, awardee and organization leader, UST Medicine. He has also training at the U.S. Air Force Clark Air Base and Makati Med Center, Natural Medicine in San Diego, California, USA, Herbal and Oriental Medicine in Malaysia, German Homeopathy and Chelation Therapy. He is also a member of different organizations like the American College of Lifestyle Medicine, Royal Society of Alternative Medicine, Singapore, Philippine Medical Association member, PITAC DOH Health Devices Committee Chair, Director in Chamber of Herbal Industry, Philippine Society of Oncology member, and a former Grand Chancellor of UST GBE Med Fraternity. Siya din po ang Medical Director ng Lebien Medical Group. At may mga sinulat din po siyang libro katulad ng The Great Anxiety Escape with Max Ricketts Jr. and Detox Benefits and Procedures with Diamond Love. Siya rin po ay may mga regular programs sa DZRH, DCBB, DWIC, and TV5. Without further ado, let's all welcome Dr. Edwin Biel.
Hello there.
Magandang araw po, Doc. Kamusta po kayo?
Mabuti po. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi. Nakikidalamhati tayo doon sa mga binabagyo sa ngayon. Nakikisimpatya tayo kay Miss Precious and the others. So, keep safe everyone.
O nga po, Doc. Maganda po ang topic nyo. Long live with Dynafarm Nutrition. Doc, why is good nutrition important?
Well, napakahalaga ng nutrition sa atin dahil alam mo, bagong pananaw ng ating mga doktor na hindi lamang nabubuhay ang isang tao sa puro tabletas lamang. Ito ay included dapat ang nutrisyon. And in fact, mayroon tayong ipapakita na slide dito. Pwede ba natin maipakita? Sa ating picture number 1, makikita natin na ang kalusugan natin ang tunay na kayamanan. Ayan. Alam niyo, marami sa atin talaga, ang akala natin, ang kayamanan natin, yung bahay, yung kotse, yung mga ari-arian natin. Ngunit lahat ng yun mawawala, maliwala yun kapag tayo nagkaroon ng karamdaman. At speaking of nutrition, kung titignan natin ang picture number 2, makikita natin dito sa picture number 2, pinalabas ito sa Netflix Sa Japan, ang dami-dami pala sa kanila ang umaabot ng higit sa 100 years old. Can you imagine, Pero dito sa bansa natin, ay nako, mabibilang na lang kung ilan ang umaabot ng 100. At nakita nila ang kadahilanan kung bakit umaabot daw ang ang mga Japanese ng 100 dahil sa kanilang nutrisyon. May mga kinakain silang magaganda, may mga kinakain silang na bawal. Hindi tulad sa Pilipino, kung anong masarap, yan ang ating kinakain kahit walang sustansya. Aminin natin yon. Ang unang tinitingnan natin yung sarap. Pangalawang tinitingnan natin sa restaurant yung presyo. Hindi naman natin tinitingnan kung masustansya o hindi, di ba? And alam po ninyo, itong November ay sineselebrate